Number of cases of chikungunya and dengue in the national capital and in the country as a whole. The health minister took stock of the situation at a high-level meeting in the capital today. JP Nadda said that there is no shortage of medicines or testing kits and has asked people to play an active role in keeping their surroundings clean. The Lieutenant Governor Najib Chung of Delhi also held a review meeting, and the central government has assured the Delhi government of all assistance, while the latter has been indulging in a blame game over the rising number of deaths.
Chikungunya and dengue continue to plague Delhi and other parts of the country. In Delhi NCR alone, 10 deaths due to the vector-borne disease have been reported over the last 3 weeks. Taking serious note of the situation, the Union Health Ministry held a high-level meeting to review the dengue and chikungunya situation in the country. It has sought a detailed report from the Delhi government on the situation. Union Health Minister JP Nadda also spoke to Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain and assured him of all support from the centre. Nadda said that there is no shortage of medicines and testing kits. Doctors have been trained to tackle the situation. Special fever clinics have been set up in all hospitals. 17 review meetings have been held so far. 11 advisories have been issued to the states regarding protocols to be followed to tackle the disease. 3 video conferences have also been done. A dengue app has been launched with all information about tackling the disease. He also appealed to people not to panic and to play an active role in keeping their surrounding clean, a key factor in containing both the diseases.
हर एक परिवार को भी इसमें साथ देने की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि घरों में ही ब्रीडिंग सेंटर्स बने हुए हैं, गमलों में, वाटर कूलर्स में, आसपास की जगहों में हम लोगों ने विशेष निर्देश दिया है दिल्ली सरकार को कि कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स के आसपास जहां वाटर लॉगिंग होती है उसको भी रोकें.
Doctors say chikungunya by itself is not a fatal disease. However, it can lead to complications and even organ failure in presence of other ailments like underlying diabetes. All the deaths in Delhi reported so far have been of people over 60 who were already suffering from other ailments. There have been a recent spurt in number of chikungunya cases in Delhi NCR, and the figure is now over 1,000. Last week alone saw a 90% increase in the number of reported cases. Delhi government has announced an inquiry into the chikungunya deaths. However, it is resorting to a blame game over the situation. The opposition came down heavily on the Delhi government for dodging responsibility.
प्रिवेंशन का सारा जिम्मेदारी एमसीडी की होती है. पैसा भी उनको दिया जाता है, स्टाफ भी उनको दिया. जो 8,000 लोगों की बात करें उनकी तनख्वाह दिल्ली सरकार देती है. अगर हम डायरेक्ट रख लें तो बहुत अच्छा है, परंतु अब वो लॉ के हिसाब से प्रिवेंशन एमसीडी की जिम्मेदारी हम नहीं ले सकते हैं.
क्या बीमारी के लिए ठीक करने के लिए राजनीति जरूरी है या दोनों को मिलकर के उसको ठीक करने की आवश्यकता है?
एक ज्वाइंटली किस तरीके से इस मैनेज को या इस बीमारी को लड़ा जाए. लेकिन आज तो ऐसा लगता है कि कभी तो मीडिया को ब्लेम कर देते कि आप कर रहे हैं. दिल्ली में तो चिकनगुनिया और डेंगू है ही नहीं.
Dengue has also been reported in West Bengal, Odisha, Kerala and Karnataka, while some cases of malaria have also been reported in West Bengal. Dengue and chikungunya are viral diseases transmitted by the female Aedes mosquitoes which bite during the day. Keeping surroundings clean and ensuring there is no stagnant water is essential to prevent breeding. With inputs from Nitendra Singh, Newsnight Desk, DD News.